Touchy. Okay, we'll run the tail
More
down
up
now.
elevator and get up faster.
Okay, now you run the elevator down, it's not so touchy.
It's almost 10 degrees less up the elevator on takeoff with this one than the other one. And you could tell when it went out. It was working real hard to get out.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think flapping the wings is a lot faster. Ooh, little postie. What's it driving? Amazing building. Here's trees they painted with some giant tree design. Something in the south that we make it better.
Yep. They emulated the outline, but that was it. That happens a lot in Lake Point. It looks like it could go faster. Yeah. And lots of mistakes. I wonder if it'll glide.
Oh, look, the Eagle Glide. Isn't that what that one's called? Don't see that often.
This is a lot touchier, but that's okay. It's much smaller.
Yeah, you get a new color and it actually flies.
Well, you confused your entourage. They kept going. You turn.
Let's see if it'll glide. It'll hit this. There's the pigeon glide. Ooh, how steep that is. Way too steep. What was that?
I don't know. That looked like a dive. You going down or up?
Down. I flattened it out. Now it's not so sensitive on the turns. Actually, I'm going to try it all the way down. Now that took a lot of the sensitivity out of the turns. And it still seems to be holding itself up there okay.
And about third throttle?
About half. Cut it back.
Push a button.
Let's see, it's now starting to descend.
Right on his little flight box.
Run the rudder back up the middle.
Set up for landing?
That's supposed to be 25 degrees is supposed to be its optimum flight. And it flies okay at that. Nice. Now it should descend pretty good now. Yeah, it's coming down fast.